Hello, my name is Brunetta Adams, and my dinner and table talk about my nominee is Dr. Trey Martindale, an individual who has made a significant contribution to the field of instructional technology. I see him as professor, scientist, fellow. Dr. Martindale is a university professor in instructional design and e-learning. He works with talented faculty and graduate students to advance the field of instructional design and to create effective, appealing online learning environments. Dr. Martindale alma mater is Texas Tech University. This is where he received his bachelor's, his doctorate degree in instructional technology. Dr. Martindale is an associate professor and a department head of the Department of Instructional Systems and Workforce Department at Mississippi State University. Dr. Martindale's research and expertise is in the design and analysis of online learning environments. His work has been towards addressing faculty and student issues in online learning, including the following four components: instructional content and nature of existing online resources, learner issues as influenced by the learning environment, how emerging social and networked tools can augment instructional strategies, and open educational resources, formal learning and informal learning in personal learning environments. Dr. Martindale has numerous publications. As you can see, a few of his publications are listed here, but there are numerous publications he has published along the way. The reason why I think this person deserves to be a part of the Hall of Fame, well, Dr. Martindale is an active consultant in e-learning and instructional design. His organization seeks to improve their employee training and performance. He specializes in creating web-based and e-learning environments for training and development. Recent clients include FedEx, Southern College of Optometry, Eugene, Wolf River, U.S. Learning, and University of Mississippi, the U.S. Veterans Administration, and the University of Tennessee. He has a host of honors and awards, proven leadership, and experience. Listed here are references pertaining to the creation of this presentation.